It's my birthday! Ta-da!
Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. It is the first Vlogtober video that I'm going to be posting, basically the annual Vlogtober video, because it's your girl's time of the year. Yeah, I'm not at Christmas, not at birthday period. I'm going to start my birthday preparation vlog today, but I'm going to work right now. So I'm going to do the intro quick and fast, so I'm going to have to do it again on the road. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing my nails and my pedi. And yeah, I'm going to bring you along with me, because I know some always do that. Girl always, I'm going to say them look something there. And quick, I'm not even know what to say. I have no idea. Well, I have a little idea what more I have to do with my nails, but it's the first. I never yet sure what I want to do. Which is crazy because I told the appointment book, it's like 3 o'clock. I'm more reach at work. More reach at work one time where I can get to leave and reach back into Spanish Town to get my nails done. But I'm going to fill you guys in on that, so stay tuned. And I hope you guys enjoy this birthday preparation vlog. You are not for me, goodbye. You ain't shit to me. Shit to me, you ain't shit to me. Shit to me, you denied everything. So guys, I got this cute anklet, some toe here, white toes. The other two have a little smudge, so I'm gonna see if I will show it. Good morning guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today is actually my birthday. Then I'm looking tacky, I know that. But we're going to trust the process of the day. Like, I don't even know if people actually consider their maintenance on them actual birthday. But the only thing that I got done was basically boom. Still looking fire. I did what I want. I think that I got I'm going to get ready right now. I can't find something to cover my ear. My ear, I washed it, so it just like this. You understand? I'm going to let my cousin do my lashes. She's going to do my lash for my birthday. So I'm going to Portmore to do that. I have my hair appointment at 1:30 today. Yeah, me know who do the maintenance vlog on them birthday. But nothing was planned for the day, so why not just freestyle the day? See where it can go. I'm supposed to go to Western Union as well I wonder who married for all of them something here. But we're just in the process. Oh, I'm going to show you guys 2 of what I got already. Well, like 3 something I get so far, to be honest. But as my son, I see the other something because I cash. But I'm going to go for the other 2. I'm going to see what I'm right this. So I got a Bath and Body Works set. If you don't know, I'm gonna know some is a Bath and Body Works girl. I like smell good. I like smell good things. So I got this from my friend. Thank you so much. It's brown sugar and fig. And I will smell it. I like how it smell. I love how it smell, to be honest. And then the lotion. And from most of the lotion look like this. I'm not ask shea butter stand up in it. And I love shea butter stuff. I love shea butter stuff. The lotion smell even better. I got another thing as well because I know so the audio shitty on my phone because my phone audio is tacky. I need a new phone. Yeah, I know that. So I got this for my birthday as well. But even if you not see it properly, come light. So I got this wireless I never registered a company here, but it's ear microphone. I haven't pulled it as yet. I did just take it out of the Amazon package. Probably I need for pull it. I must say I need for leave out. Or that I need for leave out. I'm in a bed or not yet because of that margarine right now. The bed. But we're unpackaging it. I haven't gotten all of my gifts as yet. So yeah. Like in love, watch my little mic. Even though I did say like them did put something on it, like one little puff. I'm gonna see it in the box. I even see it on the picture. I'll even not gonna argue with them. But they are so cute though. The little mic. Gonna stay tuned for the good contents them with the mic here. I don't even know if it'll work. But we believe it'll work. I think this is a charger in it. I don't know it now, but I'm gonna close it. But this is it. This is it. I'm guessing the charger is right here for it. I don't know. I'm soon the dirty truck. Okay girlies, so I'm already to leave out. I'm going to do my lashes now and may I run late because as I said, it's just a freestyle day maintenance to my head looking a mess, but we're trusting the process for the day guys. The fit is from Fashion Nova. It's so cute. I'm in love with my nails. Yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys up when I'm there. Channel I'm supposed to use what? For your birthday. So guys, I'm currently using my Snapchat camera. I don't know if you not hear me, but I am back home finally. This is the hair. This is how the hair is looking, pretty cute. And these are the lashes. My face is giving acne all day, so I'm gonna try to fix that. But yeah, this is it. And this, I can't go see the fit, but I'm probably just putting one clip of that. And yeah, finally back home. I'm gonna eat nothing for a morning, so I'm gonna try to do that RP at first and then eat. I don't even know, I'm not really have no appetite anymore. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I'm currently testing out the mic. I should even click it on so be safe. I should I use it like this. But yes, I'm back home. I still haven't eaten all day. I buy food though, but The girl is testing out her microphone. Yes. So that's that. I showed you guys my hair, and so I'm going to unbox this gift. I don't know what is in it, but we're going to do that right now. May I try to pin this up here so it I hear my voice properly and clearly. It came with this, but I don't know how to put it on. I figure it out though. But we're gonna unbox this. Tonight is just not my night with the storage. This probably I gonna stop anytime soon. I had a whole reaction because I get what I want. Like I've been wanting this since 2018. Finally get it. Her, her. Thank you so much. Like I'm excited. If I did some reaction, it was priceless. I can't only tell you because my storage, as I say, it now work out with me. It smells so good. I can't wait to put it in my current ear and angle that. I can't believe some reaction part of the video gone. Like, my vex go that. But yeah, that's another gift that I got. And I'm excited about it because as I say from 2018 more on the gift here, and well I give to myself. I'm end up never buy it, still never buy it. So yeah, I'm excited about it. Now I'm going to eat some food. Let me show you what I'm going to eat. Hopefully the video not stop. Let me show you what I'm going to eat. Oh, this looks like it wanna spare my bed, but anyways, this is what I'm going to eat. Hey guys, I'm gonna start the video like three time now since I start over the video here. But anyways, I got my gift from my boyfriend today. Super cute. Like I'm going to show you guys how it looks right now. Oh, after 12 no, by the way, I'm just reach home. This is what it's giving. It is so cute. Like when I see this, are you guys seeing how cute this is? Like I'm so in love with it. But yeah, I'm going to end the birthday preparation plus what I got for my birthday right now, so I can get for put the things them together and try edit it for post it and all of that. So yeah, I just came on here to end the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. We're on our way to 500 subscribers and we are this close, like this close. I'm gonna know so we can reach there. So share up the video, like up the video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, tell them family member, tell everybody, anybody, somebody for come over to Yanieki's YouTube channel where we do all kind of video. We're not stick to one specifically thing right now as yet. We're doing a lot. I'm gonna know right now I haven't been consistent. I'm really sorry for that. Sorry about that. It's not intentional. Like what I'm telling you, say like I need like for clear like certain stuff and try for post. I'm gonna try organize myself so I can get back on track. But anyways, this is the end of this video. Again, thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.